Visuals. A cinematic montage of the 2025 Jaguar GT, sleek exterior shots, close-ups of the headlights, smooth aerodynamics, roaring engine revs, and a stylish logo animation. Host, on camera or voiceover. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of supercars has arrived. Welcome back to Your Channel Name, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Jaguar GT, a machine that promises to redefine speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Buckle up, because this is an official first look you don't want to miss. Visuals, slow-motion shots of the car's front, sleek curves, futuristic LED headlights, and aggressive stance. Host, Jaguar has always been synonymous with elegance, but the 2025 GT takes things to an entirely new level. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The aerodynamic profile screams performance, while the redesigned front grille and laser-sharp headlights give it a menacing presence. And let's talk about the body, sculpted to perfection with lightweight carbon, fiber, and aluminum, ensuring both strength and agility. Visuals, side-by-side comparison of past Jaguar supercars with the new GT. Host. Compared to its predecessors, the 2025 GT is lower, wider, and more aggressive. Every line, every curve serves a purpose, maximizing aerodynamics and reducing drag. And just look at those doors. The butterfly-style opening adds an extra touch of drama. Visuals, engine close-ups, exhaust flames, dynamic driving footage. Host. Now let's get to the heart of this beast, the engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Jaguar GT boasts a monstrous twin-turbo V8, producing a jaw-dropping 800 horsepower. That's right, 800 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds, rivaling even the most elite hypercars. Visuals, dashboard speedometer, acceleration tests, high-speed cornering. Host. But it's not just about raw power. Jaguars. Engineers have integrated an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring maximum grip and stability, whether you're on a racetrack or winding mountain roads. And thanks to the lightweight chassis, this machine handles like a dream, responsive, sharp, and utterly thrilling. Visuals. Close-ups of the cabin, touchscreen controls, premium leather seats, and digital dashboard. Host, step inside and you're greeted with an interior that screams luxury and innovation. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a massive 12-inch touchscreen, an all-digital gauge cluster, and voice-activated controls. Jaguar has embraced futuristic minimalism. Every button, every switch is there for a reason. Visuals, interactive features, ambient lighting, connectivity options. Host. And let's not forget about connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even AI-assisted driving modes come standard. The 3D surround sound system immerses you in an audio experience like no other. This is more than a car. It's a tech masterpiece on wheels. Visuals, POV driving footage, driver reactions, scenic road shots. Host, driving the Jaguar GT is an experience unlike any other. The steering is razor-sharp, the acceleration is instant, and the exhaust note, pure symphony. Whether you're in comfort mode cruising through the city or in track mode unleashing its full potential, this car adapts to your every need. Visuals, close-up of driving modes on the digital display. Host. And speaking of modes, Jaguar has introduced an all-new Race Plus mode, which fine-tunes the suspension, tightens the steering, and opens up the exhaust for a truly visceral experience. Visuals, side-by-side comparisons with competitors like Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche. Host. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Jaguar GT is expected to start at around $200,000, placing it in direct competition with the likes of the Ferrari F8 Tributo and the Lamborghini Huracan. But here's the thing. Jaguar is offering something unique. British engineering excellence combined with cutting-edge technology and a price tag that makes it a serious contender. Visuals: epic slow-motion shots of the car driving off into the sunset. Host: So, is the 2025 Jaguar GT the future of supercars? Absolutely. It's powerful, beautiful, and packed with innovations that push the boundaries of what we expect from Jaguar. If this is the future, count us in. Visuals: final montage of the Jaguar GT with cinematic music. Host: What do you think? Is this the ultimate supercar of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button if you enjoyed this first look, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome. Visuals: channel logo animation, suggested videos, subscribe button prompt. Host: catch you in the next one.